Hello everyone and welcome to new video. Today I'm gonna talk about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and if you wanna learn something about HTML, you are in the right place. And first, before we start even doing our, let's say, coding, we need to download few things. You need to download Notepad. Don't worry, those links I'm gonna leave in the description of this video. As I said, those links I'm gonna leave in the description of this video, and you can click on those links in the description and you're gonna be directly redirected to those pages, and you can download Notepad, but I do not recommend you to download Notepad. You need to download Visual Studio Code, and for this one I'm also gonna leave a link, and you just download if you are using Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 or whatever, you just need to download Windows 10. If it is 86 or 32-bit operating system, you need to download this 86, and if you have 64-bit operating system, which I suppose you have because all of us are using 64-bit operating system, and you just download for Windows. If you are using Mac or whatever, Linux, after you open the Visual Studio Code, you need to go into extensions, and here in the extensions you're gonna use, let's type HTML validator. We can use this one, or I don't know which one I have installed, but whatever you use, you can just click here on this one, HTML, CSS, JavaScript snippets, and just install this one. As we move on with the theme and as we move on with learning and everything, I'm gonna explain in the details what this is about. This is extensions, and this will help you code fast and fix those mistakes, things that you messed up in your code. So let's go one more time. You need to download Visual Studio Code, that is text editor. Basically you can download any text editor and work in any text editor, but I recommend to use this Visual Studio Code because for me it is the best one. And HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Do not be confused about this, because HTML is not a programming language. It helps you make structure of the page, structure of your website, or skeleton, or call it however you want. We're going to discuss this in the future, but for now we're going to leave it like this. And for now, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one, where we're going to discuss in more detailed about HTML, and we're going to actually start to create our first web page. See you in the next one.